Hello there. I invite you to just breathe with me. Be at one with me. It's getting kinda wild out there, so if you will, take a breath with me. And exhale. Still the mind. If you're in Japan or the west coast of America or Christchurch or Chile, any other country in the Ring of Fire, welcome and take a breath with me. Still the mind. Go within to be at one with me for just a moment. If you have an inclination to move or evacuate where you are, then listen to your own authority. Shut out the ranting ravings of other authorities and look within. You are your own authority. Leave if you must. Don't listen to the rest of this video if you must. But remember to keep breathing. Keep listening to your own authority and be at one with me. For the rest of us, let us breathe life into Japan, and then let us radiate out that life to the world. Breathing. So relax and focus on the map in front of you. Find your center, usually in the solar plexus area. Connect with that center. Connect it with your heart and breathe with me. Be at one with me. We are gods. We are created in the image of our Creator. We are therefore omnipotent. So just breathe. Connect with your God self and tone with me if you will. You can either listen or join in with me. The tone is the tone for our Creator. deep breath in, release. Feel the vibration and release. Let it go. And coming back into the awareness of the body, your breathing, staying centered, calm, listening to your own authority.